How to buy Restore Truth token using Uniswap. Step 1. Top up ETH in Trust Wallet. Tap the buy icon. Select Ethereum. Select a third-party purchase provider. Enter the amount of ETH that you wish to purchase. Before purchase, confirm your country of origin. Confirm your purchase amount and tap Buy. Enter your email address and then tap Send Code. Follow the steps in your email to complete the transaction. Your ETH will now show up in your wallet. Step 2. Connect to Uniswap. Search for Uniswap in your web browser and access the site. Click Launch App. Tap on Connect Wallet. Step 3. Connect to Trust Wallet. Select Trust. Next, select Connect. Return to Uniswap. You will see your address in the top right corner. You are now connected. Step 4. Copy the contract address from restoretruthtoken.com. Next, we will add RTT token. Open the Restore Truth token website. Copy the address only from the official site and return to Uniswap. Tap on Select a token and paste in the address. Read the message, check I understand, and import the token. Step 5. Enter the amount you wish to purchase. Tap on Swap. Next, tap on Confirm Swap. Step 6. Confirm your transaction in Trust Wallet. Tap on Confirm. The transaction will now process on the blockchain. Wait for completion. Upon completion, you will see RTT in your wallet. Make sure that RTT is turned on to see your tokens. If you don't see RTT in your wallet, tap on the icon in the top right corner. Paste the contract address from the RTT official site into the search window and switch on Restore Truth token to view. Congratulations, you now hold RTT.